Hey, it's Kevin here from Loveless Custom Guitars. I got a little clip of my walnut pickguard and switch plate being sanded from 100 to 3000 grit and everything in between, and tung oiled. And then I haven't touched my bridge yet. I want to show the difference that it makes and how it really makes that wood look great.
I have sped this video up twice to cut it down in time. The process that I'm doing here is sanding everything, buffing out everything off the wood, getting that mirror finish. So I started with 100 grit sandpaper and worked all those pieces that I was doing. I did the pickguard and switch plate, and I went from 100 to 320. Then I jumped to 1000. Now some people like to go to 600 before they go to 1000. I didn't have 600. I probably would have too, but I went ahead and started at 1000 after the 320, and from there I went from 1000 to 1500 to 2000 to 2500, and I finished off with 3000. Now there is more fine paper that you can buy than 3000. I don't know if that's necessary to go higher than 3000. A lot of people don't go higher than 2000 or 25, but since I had the 3000, I went ahead and did it anyway. My goal is to get that mirror finish with my pickguard and my switch plate, and then I'll do my bridge and the 1/4 inch jack plate. But I didn't do the bridge yet because I wanted to show the difference between the sanding process and then the tung oil of the pickguard and switch plate compared to the bridge that I haven't done anything yet. And
here's the difference. I got the sanding done of the pickguard and switch plate. I haven't done the bridge yet, so you can see the difference. And I tung oiled the pickguard and switch plate just to show you the difference, what it makes.